I pride myself on being able to put together IKEA furniture, and I've never really seen this product, so I hope that it's pretty easy. You just attach the things to the wall and attach the things to the thing. What's up, guys? In this video today, I'm going to be tackling a closet project. I'm going to be installing some closet organization that I got from IKEA. So if you follow us on Instagram, you know that Royce has recently moved in to my closet. Yes, that's right. Royce and I did not share a closet for the last 4 years. And he has this beautiful Pax wardrobe from IKEA that he loves, that he has been living out of for the last 4 years. And so now, because we have started adding a little bit more content to our channel, I added a vanity. So Royce's wardrobe that was there needed to go somewhere. So we said, we're gonna sacrifice and move back in together. Royce is actually very easy to share a closet with. I am the one that's really difficult to share a closet with. I am messy, and it's just hard for people who are not messy, like Royce, to share a closet with me, people like me, that are messy. I have been trying really hard to get rid of so many clothes and just declutter and just get rid of stuff that I don't use anymore, and I feel like I've been doing a really good job. Even before I filmed this video, we got rid of 2 more garbage bags full of clothes, and I think I'm to a point where I don't want to get rid of anything else. It's getting a little bit more personal, things that I'm more attached to. So the goal today is to replace this stuff with kind of just like a little upgrade. It's an IKEA, I think it's called Boaxel, but it's a closet organization system that is at IKEA. That's not the Pax, which is enclosed. It's kind of just open air system that I'm gonna see if that helps kind of organize this area a little bit better. I'm gonna get rid of the cubbies. I've liked them, but haven't loved them. So I'm gonna put that in another closet for organization over there. And this whole entire wall is gonna be that new IKEA system. A couple of the hurdles we have to overcome today. Getting all of the stuff from Royce's car up 3 flights of stairs. Royce is actually busy with some editing for other videos on our channel, so he can't really watch Philippa, so she's gonna be in the pack and play after her nap. And I have already done a lot of things today, so hopefully my energy stays up. I had a 2nd cup of coffee this afternoon, so I'm feeling a little wired right now, but who knows when that crash will come. So those are just a few of the challenges that we face today in this closet makeover. You think we can get it done? Let me know in the comments. You think I got it in me? Probably, because by the time you're seeing this video, it's already posted. Also, look at my eyeshadow. If you want to know how I did that, there should be a get ready with me video. We'll pop that on the screen. All right, it's time to get Pal up from her nap, so let's go do that. Hello. Hey. Thanks so much for watching today's vlog. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you like this kind of content, make sure to like this video. And we hope you guys are having a great day. If you're having a great day, hit that like button. You ready for a snack? Good girl. I pride myself on being able to put together IKEA furniture, and I've never really seen this product, so I hope that it's pretty easy. You just attach the things to the wall and attach the things to the thing. So I guess that's challenge number 4 in today's vlog. Maybe challenge number 5 is seeing if anyone stays to the end of the video. Come on, let's read it together. Level, pencil, and a measuring tape. That's all you need. Oh yeah? Okay, so I'm feeling a little bit better. It feels like this is going to be relatively easy. So I attached the top brackets first on the wall, and then the vertical brackets attached to this. and then I attach that to the wall. So it seems like it should be relatively easy. I just got to make sure to put this high enough for the vertical braces. Right? Easy. But before I can do any of that, I have to empty the closet and take out the cubbies and just empty everything out. We have an update, a positive update in all of the challenges so far in this video. Positive update, I have help for at least 20 or 30 minutes. Let me introduce you to the help. Royce!
Hi, I'm help.
I have to empty the closet, like I just said, and I asked Royce, I said, maybe you could help me with that. And he said, yeah, I could help you. So let's get to emptying this closet. Here's an update. That was pretty quick. That took like 2 seconds. Oh, you gonna do that, babe?
Let's see, would it be better to do those first or those first?
I did these first.
You better do it.
It's alright.
You did that so easily.
Play to our strengths. And just because there are stereotypes with genders doesn't mean that's just what you have to do in life. Okay? Smash that like button if you agree.
What do you think about the situation, Philippa?
There we go. It is almost guaranteed that every project I do, I hurt myself in some way. Because I'm like a rhinoceros. I just charge forward. Royce asked me if I was going to patch and paint these holes. And I told him no. Because this is my closet. Like, if it bothers me after a little while, then yes, I probably will. But it's probably going to be hidden all my clothes. I figured if I was taking these things out of the wall, it'd be a good time to let you guys know of today's video sponsor, which is absolutely nobody. So now would be a great time to stop and subscribe. So maybe one day we could be sponsored by somebody.
What's happening up here?
Drilling the stabilization bar in here. One thing I'm just realizing, I wonder if the drawers will be able to come out. Hold on. I didn't think about that. What I was thinking about was like making sure I can get both of the things in. But now I'm a little nervous that I'm not going to be able to open a drawer with the windowsill.
How do you know how high it goes?
I don't. So,
Well, hopefully it's either above or below that.
I mean, the drawer could still work. I just won't be able to open it all the way. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. I'm about to attach the vertical supports for the first time. That's it. Just sits on there. And then I attach this to the wall. Make sure to watch the end of the video because if this works out, I will recommend it. And I'll let you know how much I spent on this little unit. Feeling pretty good about it though. Minus like the drawers and the windowsill part. Okay, so a little update for y'all. I've got 2 vertical ones in. The horizontal suspension, I have 1 more vertical one, but it's close to dinner time, so I need to stop and go see what I'm going to make for dinner. I was going to make soup, but I don't feel like it, so let's see what we got. I will catch you guys back here probably after P goes to sleep. I'm literally doing like the easiest thing I can think of, and that is going to be cheese quesadillas with some vegetables on the side, and that's just going to be what it is tonight for dinner. Literally the fastest meal I've ever made in my life. We got some cheese quesadillas, some frozen vegetables, and Philippa. What are you doing?
I'm working on looking up tags for YouTube.
Always working on YouTube.
Wait, do you know where my glasses are?
No, it's time to eat. All right, so we've switched from day to night and now from dinner to working. Royce is giving P a bath and I'm about to finish this, but I just wanted to show y'all how like, well, it's not going anywhere. I only did 3 drywall mounts in the vertical ones, so that's exciting. Also, a thing I remembered is that this system is like interchangeable, so you can kind of put like things wherever you want. So if the drawer doesn't work with the windowsill, then I think I'll be able to save it. Nice song, babe. All afternoon has led up to this point. See if it works. So it worked. It was a little bit of a struggle to get it like in there, but it's working. I've got a drawer. The picture makes it seem like they just click in. That is not true. I don't think the windowsill is going to be too big of an issue. Best update of the night. The drawer and the windowsill didn't matter at all. Let me show you. So that's the drawers. So we're going to put a shelf here, and this is hanging, and then shelf. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys an update. I got the whole thing in, except this little part over here that I'm going to do. But I'm going to go hang out with Philippa for a little bit. So the next time you see this, it's going to be filled with clothes.
It doesn't feel as responsive or intuitive. And quite frankly, probably doesn't even need to exist.
I'm ready to be done with this project. I don't have any energy left.
All right, Bekah has been working into the night. It is now 9:05. She's telling me that she's done. So let's go see what she was able to do.
Welcome to the new closet.
Looks pretty dang good.
The total for this little outfit here from IKEA was $172. Now, for a more custom cabinet closet organization, I feel like that's not too bad. The California Closets is like thousands of dollars to do something like this. I've got my drawers on the bottom, which replaced the cubbies that were there before. And then I have the hanging space. One of the things I think like Marie Kondo or like organizing people, like if there's room, if it's stuffed full, you have a harder time making a decision. So I like that there's a lot of room here. There's also a little mini shelf there's a mini hanging bar over there for my long hanging things. And then down there we still have the Rubbermaid container. Storage shelves up top filled with maternity clothes that maybe I'll wear eventually again. There's nothing on the floor. Like there's nothing touching the floor.
So the question that I have is, can it stay this way? I mean, it needs to stay this way to some extent because now we're sharing it.
But I've come a long way. And I was thinking about doing like custom cabinets in here because I've been so inspired by people on YouTube doing that. This was a much better option for my capabilities. Don't you think? I'm just really happy with how it came out. $172. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think $172 was worth it for this new space? I would definitely recommend this like whole setup if you're looking for more organization in your closet and you're on a budget. The great thing about these like vertical things is that you can really kind of customize it to do whatever you want and fit whatever space you want. One of the reasons that I couldn't go all the way to this wall is because one more section would have been too wide. So they have like an adjustable section and I could only find the adjustable bar. So that's all that's up there right now. But eventually I would like to get another shelf to go with that little like mini section. But I think it works out. I don't think I'm going to be bothered by that. That's it for me. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you didn't know, I go live on Thursdays at 2 p.m. and I also do hair product reviews for all y'all. So if you liked my hair, make sure to go check out that video where I show you how I did this. All right, that's it. Outfit of the day. Okay, bye everyone.